Imagine yourself in this 2009 Holden Commodore. Experience the comfort of driving this well-presented vehicle with a solid 6-cylinder engine. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, stability control, curtain head airbags, and adjustable tilt steering wheel. Ride in style with the included premium wheels. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. If safety is a concern, know you are covered with this vehicle's features. Contact us to get behind the wheel today.